Come out for a bit of a walk, not a bad day, and I am going to have this for my dinner. So this is the FORCLAZ Semolina with vegetables. Got this from Decathlon, so we'll give this a go. I cook with or boil water with the OEX Heiro. Right, so that's the Heiro nicely bubbling away. Give that a couple of minutes. I've done a video on these, I'll leave a link in the description. So while the Heiro's bubbling away and getting ready, I'll have a quick look at the instructions. Right, okay, so fill it up to level 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, okie dokie. So this is obviously a dehydrated food ration. It looks like stuff you'd feed hamsters at the moment, but we'll see. It says put the water in, leave it for 8 minutes, so let's do that. So while that's finishing up and cooking in the bag, I'll have a coffee and admire this awful river. Okay, so I'll just give this a quick stir. Leave it another couple of minutes. Gonna have to be careful on my way back up there. Looks quite muddy and slippy. Did a bit of skiing on the way down, nearly ended up on my backside. Okay, this is ready. So this is FORCLAZ Semolina and vegetables. Let's have a taste. It smells good. Flavour, it's okay. You can taste like kind of like vegetable soup. It's a little bland. Perhaps you could throw a bit of a stock cube in there when you put the water in, give it a bit more flavour. But yeah, it's okay. For this one in future, I'd chuck a stock cube in there, maybe a bit of salt and pepper. If anything, it's a little bland, but it's okay. So I finished it off, and yeah, it was good. Like I say, would I have this one again? Yeah, I would, but I'd throw a bit of a stock cube in there, or a piece of an OXO cube or something, just to give it a little flavour. Do I feel like I've had a meal? Yes. It is quite filling. Yeah, it's a good one. If you add this and perhaps a Trek bar and a bit of fruit or something, yeah, you'd have had a decent meal. So yeah, thumbs up for this one. So packed all my stuff away, packed the Heiro away, and take my rubbish with me. Don't be a scumbag and throw your rubbish in the countryside. I'm gonna say I actually prefer those to the Wayfarer, how they called, you know, the ones. You get a bit more in them, or I think you do. It seems to be more filling, and of course it being freeze dried, it's a lot easier to ump around with you, and of course it'll last a lot longer, so you could stock up on those and keep them longer. Right, let's get out of here.